Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super fun episode for you. All here to laugh, funny cat sound effects challenge. Cats are known for their quirky behavior and silly expressions. And we've compiled some of the funniest cat pictures out there. Get ready to giggle as we dive into these adorable and funny moments. Let's start with a classic, this iconic cat face. Just look at those eyes. It's like this kitty is shocked by something hilarious. Cats have this amazing ability to express themselves in the funniest ways. Don't you think? Next up, we have cats in the most unusual places. Isn't it incredible how cats can fit into the smallest spaces? This one clearly thought it was a perfect fit. Their determination to squeeze into tight spots is just too funny. Now, let's take a look at some playtime antics. This little furball is having the time of its life. Look at that playful pounce. Cats can turn the simplest objects into the most exciting toys. Their energy is infectious. We can't talk about funny cat pictures without mentioning the legendary grumpy cat. Grumpy cat's expressions have become a staple of internet humor. And it's hard not to laugh when you see that face. Let's move on to the hilarious moments between cats and their humans. This cat clearly believes it's the center of the universe. Cats have a way of claiming their territory, even if it's on your head. These funny interactions remind us of the bond we share with our furry friends. Now, who doesn't love a cat in a costume? Look at this little superhero cat. It's just too cute and funny at the same time. Dressing up our pets can lead to some hilarious moments. And these photos prove that cats can rock any outfit. Next, let's check out some funny cat reactions are priceless, and they can turn the simplest situations into comedic
Meows.
Next, let's check out some pictures of cats enjoying outdoor activities. Has anyone noticed how much cats enjoy going on adventures? They can look so mischievous while exploring the world around them. We all want our cats to join us on these exciting adventures. Now, let's take a look at some of the silliest cat faces. These expressions really brighten our day. Each face tells its own funny story. Who doesn't love these moments? Cats are always the stars of social media. These cats have become phenomena and brought laughter to millions. They prove that cats aren't just pets, they're true stars in the hearts of cat lovers everywhere. Let's talk about the special friendships between cats and other animals. It's amazing to see cats and dogs become friends. These moments are not only memorable but also bring a lot of laughter. Just look at how much fun they're having. Finally, let's explore some pictures of the daily lives of cats. Cats can sleep anywhere and in any position. These images truly reflect their relaxed and humorous nature. Can you picture your cat in these situations? Thank you for joining us in today's video. We hope these hilarious cat pictures brought you moments of relaxation and laughter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, And subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which picture made you laugh the most. See you in the next video. And remember, always love and take care of your furry friends.